Hey people, welcome to the live stream. So give me a sec, I will check if I'm live or not and then we can start. Yep, I think I'm live, but let me confirm. Okay, yeah, I'm live. So for the people who are watching this video in the future, the plan is to solve the SQL 50 problems both in SQL and in Pandas. So today we are going to solve primary department for each employee and I think the problem number is 31. Okay. Just give me a second. Okay, let it be. So message me. Okay. So let's go through the description of the problem. So we have the employee table with the column name employee ID, department ID, and primary flag. So employee ID, department ID is the primary key. So these two are primary keys. And employee ID is the ID of the employee. Okay, department is the ID of the department. Okay, not a problem. So primary flag is the enum of category yes and no. If the flag is yes, the department is the primary department for the employee, and if the flag is n, that the department is not the primary. Okay, and employees can belong to multiple departments. When the employees joins other departments, they need to decide which department is the primary department. Okay, note that when an employee belongs to only one department, their primary column is n. Okay, and we need to write a solution to report all the employees with the primary department, and for employees who belong to one department, report their only department. Okay, and we can return the result in any order. Okay, so here's the example. So this is the employee table with employee department ID and primary flag. So if you see employee ID 1, department ID is 1 itself, because the employee ID 1 occurs only 1 and the primary flag is no. Okay, so we got the department ID of that directly. For 2, this is the primary department. Okay, because here it is S, so we are returning that department. For 3 it is like 3 directly. For 4 it is 3. Okay, so in this way we are returning the output. Okay, so let's select. Okay, let's go to the query now. So select employee ID. Okay, that is good because we want it in the output. Department ID. Okay, that is also we want. From employee. Okay, from employee, where primary flag is yes. Okay, so that is the must condition, that is primary flag is yes, or employee ID in, that is the employee ID in. Select employee ID from employee, group by employee ID having count of employee ID is equal to 1. Okay, so basically we are selecting the employee ID after grouping it, where the count of employee ID is equal to 1. That means these employees 1 and 3. Okay, so wherever the count is 1, that also we are selecting, because here it is or condition. Okay, so if I give and condition, then it doesn't return anything, because these both conditions need to be satisfied, right? So I think it fails. Okay, let's check for and here. And in the sense both the conditions must be true. Okay, so it should be in this and this also. Okay, so I think it returns empty. Yeah, see, so that is the reason we need to give or. Okay, so hope this query is good to go, because it is straightforward and easy to understand. Okay, so hope you people understood. If you have any doubts, just comment it out in the comment section. I will clear it. Okay, so our test case got accepted. So let's switch over to pandas. So let's have the description open. So in case of pandas, if you see, first we are selecting employee data frame into X wherever the primary flag is yes. Okay, and then we are selecting Y, that is creating new data frame Y, where we're grouping the employee ID and transform wherever the count is 1. So if you see, okay, let me comment out this part and let's return X first. Let's see what is the output of X. Okay, so I'll show you only the primary flag, wherever yes is there, that will be, that we will have the output. Okay, so that is X. Okay, so if I see Y, we will get the count of or the table wherever the employee count is 1. Okay, so if you see, yeah, so if you see the count is 1, right? So we have the only employee IDs wherever the count is 1 and the primary flag is no. Okay, So now what we are doing, we are pd.concat xy. So we are concatenating. That means we are clubbing these two data frames, and we are dropping the duplicates. Okay. So wherever if there are duplicates, we are dropping it off, and reset index drop true. Okay. Okay. So let's check this. Okay. So now let me comment out this part, and let's see the output here. Okay. Let me not select the department and this. Let's see what the output is, entire Z. Okay. So if you see, we have 2 4 1 and 3, okay, and 1 3 1 3, okay. The output is correct, but the problem is here primary flag is also written. Okay, so we just want employee ID and department ID. Okay, so what happens if I remove this, because I think I got stuck here. Let's run this. What happens if I just do this? Oh, okay. Okay. We're dropping the index here. Okay, that is the thing. Okay, so this column will be dropped basically. Control Z, drop true. This index will be dropped. Okay, so let's Control Z again. So we want just two columns, that is employee ID and department ID. So this is our final output. Okay, hope this is clear. So hope, okay, let me submit this. Hope you got the solution. It is crisp and clear, right? Straightforward, not straight, right? Straightforward. Okay, so if you have any doubts, do comment out in the comment section. I'll clear it then and there. Also, do like, share, and subscribe this playlist. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, share this playlist with your friends who are trying to upskill in the same. Okay, so yeah, I think that's it for today. Let's meet you